Here comes the sun. Here comes the sun. I say it's alright.
Ola, campañó. Benvidos ao noso programa de radio. Hoxe temos un invitado moi especial, o noso auxiliar de conversa, Carl.
Hello.
Carl ven de Liverpool, cidade do norte de Inglaterra.
Imos facerlle unhas preguntas en inglés para que vexade canto aprendemos. Para comezar co programa.
Carl, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
How old are you?
I'm 48 years old.
Do you like Pontevedra?
No, I love Pontevedra. I love living here.
What's the best thing about Pontevedra?
The best thing about Pontevedra is the weather in the summer.
What's the best thing about Liverpool?
The best thing about Liverpool is the people.
Imos falar un pouquiño de Liverpool, famosa pola música, sobre todo polos Beatles.
Penny Lane is in my ears and in my eyes. There beneath the blue suburban skies I sit and meanwhile back.
Famoso tamén porque ten dúas cousas de todo.
Dúas catedrais.
Two football teams, Liverpool and Everton. But this is my team, Liverpool.
Liverpool tamén é famosa polo porto e polo peculiar acento dos liverpoolienses.
What are you talking about? I have no accent at all.
Coa axuda de Carl, imos ensinarvos como se fala de verdade en Liverpool. Comecemos cos saúdos básicos. Nos aprendemos hello, how are you?
All right, mate.
E se queremos responder, se o entendemos claro, diremos fine are you, pero que di Carl?
Sound, mate.
E para despedirnos, goodbye, claro.
Ta-da!
E acabamos con noso programa. Tará!
There's nothing you can do that can't be done. Nothing you can sing that can't be sung. Nothing you can say that you can learn how to play the game. It's easy. There's nothing you can make that can't be made. No one you can save that can't be saved. Nothing you can do, but you can learn how to be you. Time is easy. All you need is love. All you need is love. All you need is love. Love. Love is all you need. Nothing you can know that isn't known. Nothing you can see that isn't shown. Nowhere you can be that isn't where you're meant to be. Easy. is all you need. All you need is love. All you need is love. Yeah. All you need is love. Love. Love is all you need. 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 Love is all you need.